Hey guys, hope you're doing amazing. Don't worry about the mess behind me. That's our produce from the previous harvest. It's yet to be stored. We are still just let me say we are been airing it in the sun to dry up before we store. So today I'm doing something different. If you've been following me, you know I've been trying to work on a garden, a kitchen garden, and that's what this video is about. So today I was at the farmers market and I got some organic stuff. This is kale, and you can see it's not from a nursery bed. This is kale that I'm going to propagate. So this you collect from matured kale plants. So that's where I got this, from my local farmers market. So I'll be planting this today. Something else I'll be planting today is the green or spring onions. So I also got this from this is how we treat it before harvest. Sorry, before planting. Cut this part out and make the roots. This is what is going to form the roots. So what you do is just make them as short as possible and divide them this way. So I'll do that to all of them. So always when buying this kind of onion, just remember to pick the ones that look healthy. Don't take the very thin ones because they won't give you a good harvest. So I'm just going to take out these very thin ones. This I can use in my kitchen, and I will plant only the ones that look healthy. This is the kind that you don't plant. They're very thin, but somehow in the farmers market they have to be mixed up. And I have these seeds. This is how they are measured out there in the market. So these are seeds of different vegetables and herbs. And I also have pumpkin seeds here. You don't need a lot, you know how pumpkins spread. So I couldn't get this kind of organic carrot, so I bought it from the shop. So let's go plant. This is all we are planting today. I'll be doing a review or a tour of the farm just a week after planting to see. So I've managed to dig up the larger part of the farm. Of course, I got some assistance from a friend. I couldn't do it on my own. And here I have organic manure. This is from cow. So this is what I'm going to use instead of the industrial fertilizer. So I will be dropping a little manure in every hole. Next, we'll be dropping two grains of corn in each hole. I like to do two. You can do one. So at this point, you can choose to water. I will not be watering because the soil is moist and it's just about to rain. So let's check it in 1 week.